Alright guys, welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel, TechTiger-Academy. I'm Ravi Malhotra, your instructor for this Fortinet NSE4 course. This course is part of a series, cybersecurity with Ravi Malhotra. And we are going to do the entire learning on NSE4, NSE5, NSE6, as well as 7, right? So just please stay focused, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notifications of all of my upcoming videos, guys. So this is going to be lecture number 11, guys, and this is real lab number 3, and I'm going to show you everything on my VMware workstation, that how you create virtual machine of the Fortinet firewall. We will create this virtual machine with 5 NIC cards. That's the objective. So let us start, guys. In this slide, we'll talk about how do you import the Fortigate Firewall virtual machine, right? Let us talk about the prerequisites of this video. The prerequisite is that Fortigate Firewall virtual image must be downloaded. That is done. We have downloaded 6.4.3.ovf format in the lecture number 10, okay? VMware Workstation software must be downloaded and installed on the system, and virtual network editor must be configured with 5 NIC cards. Both of these things have done. Please refer to my lecture number 9 as well as refer to lecture number 10. It will help you how to download and install VMware Workstation, how to create networking and how to create additional VLANs on that and all that. And then your local system should have internet connectivity, and you should have more than 4 GB of RAM in your system to run a virtual machine as well as other operating system related functions smoothly. So let's start, guys. So the first thing that we need to do is that we will access the unzipped folder of the Fortigate Firewall virtual image. We will double click the file name Fortigate VM-64.ovf. Okay, let me do that side by side for you. That's the folder, that's the unzipped folder. Here is the file Fortigate VM64.ovf. I'll just double click on this file. The moment I double click, it is going to execute the VMware Workstation. Okay, so next thing I need to do is that it will launch VMware Workstation. That's right. Accept license agreement and click next. Accept license agreement. I accept it because there is no choice, guys. And I'll just click on next. Give the location and name and then click on import. Alright. I'm going to give it a location, the place where I store all my virtual machines. So it is going to be my E drive. Okay. It is going to be my E drive. It is going to be my virtual machine. It's going to be my Fortinet, and I'm going to that's all. Inside the Fortinet, let me create a new folder. It's TechTiger-Academy Mumbai Fortinet Firewall. Okay, I'll click on OK. So that's the folder, and let me give the name to this virtual machine, TechTiger-Academy Mumbai Firewall 1, and I'll click on import. Alright. It will take time, not more than maybe 1 or 2 minutes, right? And immediately the virtual machine will be imported. Give this virtual machine location and then click on import. This is what we have done. So all the steps I have mentioned over here is that this is done. This is done. 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 And all right. So these steps are done. Let us move to the next slide. This slide talks about configuring NIC cards of the Fortigate Firewall virtual machine. That's the objective of this slide. Then select the virtual machine you just created and click on Edit button. So let me go back to my VMware. I created this virtual machine, all right, TTA Mumbai Firewall 1. He says that, my note says that, select the virtual machine you just created and click on Edit button. Here you see the Edit virtual machine settings. I'll click on here. Next thing it says is that in the custom specific virtual network, choose VMnet 0 host only. Select the network adapter. Select the first network adapter. Okay. Select and click on the first network adapter. I done it. In the custom specific virtual network, choose VMnet 0. Look here on the right hand side. Look here. Choose specific virtual network. Select VMnet 0. Right. Choose VMnet 0 host only. Similarly, do this for other network adapters as well. So let us go to the network adapter 2. This is network adapter 2. For network adapter 2, choose VMnet 1. Let me choose VMnet 1. Okay. Let's go to adapter 3. Adapter 3. Let me choose VMnet 11. Let me choose VMnet 11. Okay. Let me go to adapter 4. Let me choose VMnet 2. It is VMnet 2. Let me go to adapter 5. It is VMnet 3. And adapter 6, VMnet 12. Adapter 6 is my VMnet 12. Very good. So network adapter 1 is VMnet 0. VMnet 0 is my management VLAN. This is my internet VLAN Tata. This is my internet VLAN SIFI. This is my inside VLAN. This is my DMZ, and this is my application development zone, right? Click OK and start the virtual machine. I will click OK. And here we go. You can see that, now it shows VMnet 0, 1, 2, 1, 12 and all that. And RAM is 1 GB. Start the virtual machine. It will take some time in setting up virtual machine. I have also shared the screenshot as well. So I'll just click on the power on this virtual machine here. We need to wait for at least minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. The virtual machine will be up, and then we will discuss the next slide. This is very smooth firewall virtual machine initialization, right? It doesn't take much time compared to other firewalls, checkpoint. It takes pretty less time. So it will take time. Let me move now. Now this slide talks about login into FortiGate Firewall virtual machine for the first time. So that's the objective of this course. So virtual machine will ask you for login credentials. So once the virtual machine will be initialized, once it will be installed, it will ask for credentials, and use below credentials to log in into FortiGate Firewall virtual machine for the first time. It is going to be admin, and then the password is nothing. Just hit blank enter. So let me just wait, guys. Let me just wait for a few more minutes, and then I'll show you how to log into the FortiGate Firewall virtual machine on the serial console for the first time. Okay. Alright, so it is almost done. Okay, it is almost done, and soon we'll see the login prompt. So that's my pretty busy VMware environment, guys. I see everything on my YouTube channel. You can see videos for F5. You can see videos for almost every blade in F5: LTM, GTM, ASM, AFM, APM, checkpoint firewall. I'm writing my book on checkpoint firewall. These are my lot of videos as well I have on checkpoint firewall for courses: CCSA, CCSC, CCSM, on Barracuda firewall, right? And a lot of other security related courses, email security, DLP, CASB, everything is there. All right, guys. So Macine is up. Okay. Now let me try to log in. Let me just read my notes first of all. It says that use below credentials to log in into FortiGate Firewall. Username is admin and password is nothing. Just hit blank enter. Now you need to give a password for the admin user. Give any password, confirm the password, and then you will be able to enter into the prompt, into the configuration prompt. Let me follow these instructions given by TechTiger-Academy. I'll say admin, password nothing. I'll just hit enter. It says that you're forced to change your password. Please input a new password. It is this is the password I'm creating. I'm done. It says welcome, right? I'm logged in. Let me try. Let me say exit. Let me say admin. Let me give a password. Very good. I'm in, right? So my password is working. Virtual machine is created, and this is end of lab number 3. Actually, this is not end of lab number 2. That's a typo mistake. That's the next lab, right? So this was an end of lab number 3, guys. Let me just recap. In this lab, lab number 3, lecture number 11, we have learned how to create a FortiGate Firewall virtual machine with the 5 NIC cards, right? And how to give VLAN membership to each of my interfaces of the firewall virtual machine. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really need your support, so just please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more on NSE5, NSE6, NSE7. If you want to learn more on Fortinet SD-WAN, Fortinet CASB, Fortinet NAC, all these services. So please subscribe to my channel. You will be able to take benefits around. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.